Hi, this is Abby Rogers with DrySteam. In this video, I'm going to walk through everything you need to have on hand and know in advance for a smooth installation of the Adiatec high-pressure system. Let's start with the tools and supplies you will need. Teflon tape, screwdrivers, precision screwdrivers for signal connections, air compressor with Schrader valve inflator connection for pressurizing the reverse osmosis storage tank, a stainless steel tubing bender, Loctite thread sealant. We recommend Loctite 545 or 565, 3-wire shielded cable, hex key wrench, 2 adjustable wrenches for compression fittings, tubing cutter for stainless steel, dial type tire pressure gauge, feeler gauge, torque wrench small enough for 25 inch-pounds, 3/8 or 1/2 inch drive torque wrench, and of course, the Adiatec high-pressure system IOM. Now we'll walk through the components and connection points you'll be working with during installation. Interconnecting piping and fittings, pipe supports and pipe hangers, fittings for water connections, mounting brackets for dispersion, drain line and clamp for flush valve, water softener salt. We recommend pulverized salt, a plastic tee for the duplex water softener to brine tank connection, a funnel for pouring resin beads into the duplex water softener tanks, and a code-approved electrical disconnect. Before you head out to the installation site, here are some things you should verify. Easy access for maintenance with the clearances specified in the IOM, that the temperature is at least 40 degrees Fahrenheit and not warmer than 104 degrees Fahrenheit, power, water, and drain connection points have been installed and are operational, avoid installing equipment or dispersion zones above critical equipment or processes, make sure to install the skid near a water supply, power supply, and drain, and minimize distance between the pump station and dispersion zones. Installation of the Adiatec high-pressure system will take about 8 to 16 hours if everything at the worksite is ready to go. Once installed, startup time may vary depending on the application and system size. Now you have all the information you need to prepare for a smooth installation of the Adiatec high-pressure system. Taking time to plan and check ahead of installation day will save time in the field and prevent unnecessary return trips.